Hi everyone, this is Lady T with Design to a T. How are you on today? On today, I am sharing with you my master bath storage organization. Whew, I can't begin to tell you what a task this was. It was so nice to have refreshed my bathroom for the spring and the summer, but my cabinets had a lot of work that I had to complete. And so this is what the video is about on today. And I am so excited to share with you the process that I went through to organize and to get rid of, to purge, and to, rearrange all of those goodies that we keep into our cabinets. And so today I will share with you the process. So if you can remember some time ago, when I did my first video on this bathroom, I revealed to you that I did not use the standard cabinets in this bath. They are actually kitchen cabinets. And so with that in mind, you must know that they are much deeper than your original cabinets, and they are more spacious. So here I'm showing you exactly all of the stuff that I have in my cabinets. I have to tell you, it's amazing how much we collect and not realize how much we have until we get ready to take on a task such as this. And I really did not realize how much, items I had in these cabinets because they're so deep. You can't really see what's toward the back of the cabinet. And so what I need to do is pull everything out and evaluate, assess everything that I have. And so here we go, y'all. Hey guys, I just wanted to share this item. It's called Flip It. It has a built-in dispenser. If you're anything like me, I don't like to waste my shampoo, lotions, or anything like that. This is an awesome product. I am suggesting that you purchase this. I purchased this from QVC. Check it out. All right, guys, I must say that once I got rid of all of the products that I did not need, this was not really too hard to arrange. So the key is to let go of those things that you are not using, those things that have expired, and those things that you have more than one or two of that you really don't need. So I encourage you, if you can do this for your bathroom, let me tell you, this will help you to manage well in your bathroom. Okay, everyone, here I am labeling the bins, getting ready to arrange them in the cabinet. And here I'm using a chalk pen. I ordered this from Amazon.com and they are very, very reasonably priced. And Also want to mention that I am using all of the products that I already have in my home. Of course, you know that we can't go out and shop like we would like to. What I love about this pen and the chalk labels are that I am able to erase it right away if I make a mistake with a dry tissue. If not, and I use it and I want to change the label at a later date, I can do so with a wet tissue and it comes completely off. So this is an inexpensive way to label your bins. Oh my goodness, what a sight for sore eyes. I am so excited to share with you the completed work. I'm so glad that it's done. And I just wanted to make note that here you see bins with handles on them. They are so convenient. I have to tell you that I'm no longer having to dig into the cabinet to, see what I have. All I have to do is just pull the whole container out and, pull out what I need for the moment. And as you can see, I have so much more space left over. What you're seeing is actually just the front part of the cabinet. I actually still have room in the back part of the cabinet. I pray that it does not become full once again, but just to let you know that when you clear out and you purge and you clean up and you get rid of and let go, you make room for new items. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it has inspired you and motivated you to start the task to organize in your bathroom. Again, I say thank you for stopping by to watch this video. And I thank you all for those that have been following me for some time. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch once again. And for those of you that may be new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. There will be many, many more videos coming up, and I don't want you to miss them. Again, have a great day. I pray that everything is well with you and yours. Please stay safe and stay healthy. God bless.